Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to build our Github portfolio from scratch. As you can see it in your screen, we are going to build just like this, but you can also create your own portfolio with the help of the things that I've used in it. Okay, so please make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get started without any further ado. Go to your repository. Click on New. Name this repository same as that of your username. And now you have unlocked the special feature of your GitHub repositories. Add the description as per your preference. Make sure to make it public and add a README file. Create repository. And this is our README. We have unlocked the special feature of our repositories. Now we are going to edit this README file. Is having a lot other contents just to get us started with the GitHub portfolio. So if you guys want to edit this text, just go to Stack Editor. Okay, this is Stack Editor. I will give you the link in the description box. And suppose if you guys want to write the opening sentence of your portfolio, hey there, this is Meghna. This is Meghna. Okay, and I want this text to be in italic. Alright, so here you can see this is the italic form of this. And what I will do, I will copy this text you will see in the left part, and I will keep this emoji and remove the left text and paste the same text that I have copied from the Stack Editor. Don't worry, I will give all the links in the description below. Now let's see what we have done. Okay, see, the red part is hi there. So what we have done, we have deleted this. That's why it is red. I hope you guys know this very well. And this we have added. Hey there, this is Meghna. Alright, let's move ahead. Okay, so this is a comment and I will remove this. Alright. Now, delete this too. Now what about the banner image? Suppose if you guys want to add the banner image, you are having your YouTube account or you are some sort of a graphic designer or whatever. Like, okay, so just go to canva.com, or if you are having your image and you just want to use it in your GitHub portfolio, download the image or download the image. And once you're having the image, if you guys are new to this, just go to canva.com and create your image from here. Like I will create this image, like what we will say, thumbnail. Suppose we are creating a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, all right. And I will not create any image. I will download the predefined image just to make it a real quick, and the video is going long already. Downloading this image. Okay, see, the image has been downloaded. Okay, now what I will do, I will go, this image name is Untitled Design 1. What I will do, I want to make this image dynamic in my GitHub portfolio, so I will host this image using imgur.com. Upload the image over here. Okay, upload the images over here in order to host it. Alright, it's in the downloads, and today we have downloaded this. The image is getting uploaded. And now we will copy this link. The option is right in front of you. Okay, you just have to go over there. Okay, see, copy link. The link has been copied. Go to your readme file and just know, if you are a web developer, you know that what kind of code is added in order to make your images shown in your portfolio. Just add those text. Follow me. Okay, image as source dot png. All right, now preview changes. See, we have hosted our image. The image is a real big, but it's okay. Now we have added our banner image. Now it's time to, if you guys want to edit these texts, you can. But I will now move ahead towards adding our social media accounts. Okay, in order to ask people to follow us, or to make sure that yes, I'm available in all the social media sites. Okay, so for adding your GitHub account, your social media accounts, go to Carl's now GitHub account. This is a brilliant repository he's having. Don't worry, I'll link it in the description below. Just scroll down and copy this entire text. Okay, don't make any changes. Just copy this entire text, and if you are ready to do changes, then you can. Yeah, you can. Okay, so basically this readme code is having the icons and the links to your social media account. Okay, so what I will do, this guy is having, okay, first of all, I have added the code over here. Let's see what it is showing us. See, we are having a GitHub. No, we are having our social media site links, but you can see it in the left hand side. This Twitter account is having the account of the owner. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to link this image to our own GitHub, our own Twitter account. Okay, we will edit this code. Now see, this is the link, but what I will do, I will just change the username. The username of my Twitter account is Meghna capital S21. Okay, so what I will do, capital MEGHNA S21. Preview changes. Let's see if I'm going to my account or not. See, we have come to my Twitter account. Okay, that means our journey was successful till to now. So please, let's go back to my GitHub README. Okay, so you only have to edit the links. All right, rest of the things are here. What you have to do, you have to edit these links. You can add your Facebook account. Okay, you can add your Google Plus, dribble.com, GitHub account. This is pretty weird. Like, we are on GitHub and we are still adding the GitHub account handle. It's okay. Yeah. And if you guys want to add the links to your LinkedIn account, and you guys are not having the icon of your LinkedIn, Instagram, and rest other stuff, then you can go to ntypo.com, check this out repository. Go to ntypo.com and download the image, host it using imgur for host. As you can see, it is mentioned over here too. All right, and then copy and paste it over there. Okay, now it's time to add our badges. Like, the badges are basically used for, if you guys are if just you want to make sure that what kind of operating system you are familiar with, and what are the top languages that you are using. Okay, so for adding badges to your GitHub portfolio, go to shields.io.com. I will link it in the description below. Okay, so go to social. Here you can see you're having a lot of things over here. Okay, if you want to add the number of followers you are having in it, you want to add the fork. So I will give you the demo of only 2 to 3 things. Okay, so let's add the GitHub followers for follower numbers. Okay, so what is the username? My username is IamBot21. 0 followers. See, I'm having 0 followers. And if you want to add label, you can. You want to give the color to it, you can. Yeah, you can. Okay, but I don't want to give this override color. Okay, now download the URL. URL copied. Edit your file. Add it in your README down below. And let's see what we are getting. Oh god, I have to add the code. I'm sorry, I forgot. See, you can see this? Are you guys are able to see this? See, this GitHub account is having 0 followers. Alright, so this is how you can add the, like if you guys want to add the Twitter handle with the badges, see this is Twitter URL. Click on this, add the link. Okay, copy the link. Where was I? In the sheets. Paste it over here. And you can also see what kind of badge you want. Suppose I like plastic, I like flat square, and whatever. No, I want blue. Now copy this link, edit this readme, and paste it over here with the same code that we have added before. .png. Now let's preview changes. See, these were the badges, but I guess for making the dynamic badges you have to explore this link. Okay, see, in the end it is written that if you want to make your badges dynamic, we were actually making our static badges. Okay, so this will not link you to any of the social sites, but will only tell your viewers that yes, you are using these kind of things in your. Okay, so let's say you are using, let's generate our own badge. Suppose you are using an operating system and you are familiar with Linux, not you are a Linux user. So let's generate a badge for this. Make badge and see you are having this. Copy this link. This kind of badge you will get it over here. Copy this link. Edit this readme. Add it over here with the same code. Preview changes. See, we have added this badge. Okay, so this will tell your users to know that yes, you are a Linux user. Also the interviewers. Alright, so see, this is how our GitHub portfolio will look. Okay, so we have added the opening sentence and we have added the badge. We have added the GitHub social media links in our GitHub account. We have added the badges. And if you want to edit this text, you can, like I'm currently working on DSA. I'm currently working on some kind of project. I'm currently learning DSA. I'm looking to collaborate on YouTube. I'm looking for help with others, or ask me about any technical stuff, how to reach me. You can add the social media. You have already added the social media account. Okay, so pronouns and fun facts, all of those things you can add it. Okay. And if you guys want the idea, okay, let's first do this. Commit changes. And let's go back to your profile and let's see what kind of effect it's giving to our account. See, this is so beautiful. Not so beautiful, but just a demo part. You guys can add the kind of creativity that you have in you. See, this is how our portfolio will look if you have edited it very correctly. All right. And if you guys want some kind of idea like how you should make your portfolio, that you guys may be lacking in the idea, I will link few of the repositories that that got me started. Okay, so that was the repository of one man, Vashisht. I will link him in the description below, and you can check his GitHub account, and you can take the ideas from there. Okay. So this video was all about this, and just make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye.